Myntri Rangbah ke Jela Meghalaya konrad ke sangma ubalang uwei na ginong sakhi ya kaei ke belaja ha orchid resort omyam hakan rutrik naitung hakaba ulampang ge yeng darbar thawan ke Jela uba met ba lindo ula shakni ktien ha emily ke South Shillong ubadai na ke seng BHP kata Bah Sanbor sulai Maria kran ne gamat chung jing sha thombor ki kristan abarok wei geri India ula kubur ba kadan ke jingle khlemakor ba ke bomdai satya banja hakabai dai bi ching dawa chung ke seng UDP Myntri Rangbah ulong bayamanta udang eksamin ni kaei ke bakila dawa but pensengawru lengba kilar patai kubor.
I was there, of course, and very much I saw what happened. And of course, it was not appropriate at that point in time, especially keeping in mind that the honorable presidential candidate, was present out there. And the concerns and the issues that honorable speaker had raised were very generic kind of concerns. And obviously, as a presidential candidate, who else do we raise these concerns with? So therefore, it was appropriate for the honorable speaker to raise those concerns. So I think there was nothing wrong in this, and there were some reactions from certain members from who were present out there. And yes, yesterday UDP had a meeting, and I'm aware about those concerns. The honorable speaker also had mentioned to me and briefed me about the meeting they had yesterday. So yes, we have noted those concerns, and we will act appropriately and accordingly. So we're examining the whole thing, and we'll see how to move forward.